Hello guys and welcome to a new series to make a nature adventure game in Unity. It's gonna include many episodes as you can see over here. It's gonna have player movement, terrain, water, animals, picking up items, and more. So to start, we're gonna create a new project, Universal 3D. And you can have your name, which is going to be Nature Adventure Game, and I think that's good. You can have like a provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Unity version control. I'm going to use none for now. So let's go. And while it creates, I want to talk about the things we're going to do in this episode. This episode, we're going to have player movement so the player can jump, move, and do whatever else they want. And we're also going to have some mouse movement. And one other thing we're going to have is a UI panel with a circle, which I'm going to explain later why we need that. So to start it off with, let it create, and there we go. So it's created, and first what I'm gonna do is, so there's lots of stuff here, so we're gonna create a new folder and name it MISC, and we're gonna drag the input system, readme, settings, and tutorial info into MISC, and then we're gonna let it, whatever it's doing, and we're gonna create a 3D object terrain, and it's gonna look green for now, but once it's actually done, it's gonna look like, oh my god, what? It's gonna look like this, and then we're gonna create an 3D object cylinder. We're gonna name it player. And we're gonna remove our capital collider, close the mesh render, close the cylinder, and we're gonna drag our main camera into the player. So now we're going to change the main camera to the position of the player. So to do quick, we're going to change the position itself to 0, 0 inside the player. And this looks very bad right now. So we're going to change, and we're going to change the player position itself to actually sit on the ground like that. And we're going to make the main camera a bit higher like that. So it looks nice. So it looks nice for now. But our game is very boring. It's just this. So to add some fun to our game, we're gonna just add a player movement script. So to do that, I already have the script, but you're gonna copy and paste it from my thing. So I don't have a script right now. So we're gonna add player movement, new script. And we're going to create it not in the root of assets, but in a new folder called scripts. So I don't know why it's lagging so much, but we're going to go here. We're going to create a folder and name it scripts. You can also do this from Unity, I forgot to, so I'm doing it from here. And once we're inside, just gonna open that. I think it might have quit. I don't know what happened. I think it's just open, but I think that's good. So there we go. And I'm just gonna copy my player movement script that I already got, but So I got this player movement script, and I'm gonna explain it to you real quick. So let's make it player movement, and what it's gonna be is this is just a header, but the flow, this is the move speed, this is the jump height. I don't think I need to explain that. And this is the gravity value. The character controller, which is something we don't have to assign because we're using get component. But yeah, and then this is velocity. So first to start with, this is just to get the controller. As I said, that's why we don't have to assign it. And this is to check if it's grounded or not. So controller.isGrounded is a way to check that if it's grounded without using the complex ground check mechanism, which was the old one. But now we got this thing, and velocity.y -2f. It's just a velocity. So this is to keep it stick to the ground, and this is just a way. This is a way to make it like Unity says, for forward, backward, right, left, and yeah. Just to make it go forward, backward, WASD keys, and then this is the move direction. So it works based on your rotation. So like you don't. If you want to go to the left, you probably won't use the A key. You'll probably look to your left and use the W key, continue. So that's to make that like this. This is the jumping physics. It uses the is grounded to check so that only it will jump if it's grounded. Because if you're in the air, you can't jump again. Then you can just fly at this point. So that's what it does. This is normal gravity, and so that it doesn't matter and change by your FPS rate. And yeah, so I think that's good. Let's test out if it works. Oh wait, I almost forgot. So this is a common Unity issue, which it will give you like an error. I forgot what it's called, but I think it might. Yeah, it's called invalid operation. So it says Unity input class. So Unity has created multiple input class, the new version, the old version. So we're using the old version, and the new version doesn't support it. So you have to change the mode to both. You might ask me how, and this is exactly what I'm showing you. You have to change the build profiles, and then you click on player settings, and then you search active input handling inside the player. You change it to both, and it'll say an update. Just restart. So we'll restart it. You save your scene. It's gonna rebuild it real quick. It's gonna be quick. Don't worry. There we go. So it's back, and that's exactly what we need. So now it should work. So if we just go here, there we go. We move. Now you might ask me, how will we even rotate? We haven't wrote the mouse movement script yet, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do next. So what we gotta do now is I have a mouse movement script already written, and we're gonna use that. Link in the description. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna create a new script and name it mouse movement. And real quick, we're just gonna take this. We're gonna Command A, Command V, Command S. And I'm just going to explain this. So it's just a header. Serialized field means you can only treat it to Unity, but you can't use it to other scripts. So it's like public and private, like a bridge between them. And then this is like a float for the mouse sensitivity. I shouldn't have to explain that to you. This is your player body that you have to assign, but I'm not doing that because it will. I'm pretty sure it will automatically do it because get component. So yeah, because it's private. So then we're gonna have a private float, X rotation, so it just keeps track of your X down angle, so that there's the boundary, so we can add the clamp, so you can't like do a 360 with your head, because you can't do that in real life. Guys, try to bend your head backwards. See, you can't do a 360 and go through your neck, so it's to add the clamp, so you can't do that either in the game. And then this is the lock state, just so like your mouse is locked into the screen so you can't see it, which is why we need the UI dot. And then we have this raw mouse movement. So this is kind of like how I said for the movement that Unity has in the input class over here. It's kind of like that for like turning your screen. And then this is so we can, like when you do this, it's like so that it will actually push it down. It will actually like look up and down. And then here is the clamp so that you can look infinitely 360. And then this is so it looks to look up and down, like rotate the camera. And this is to rotate the entire player body when you turn. And so now to test this out, what we're gonna do is actually not put this on the player, the script, but we're actually gonna put this the script on the on the main camera. So there we go. Let's add that right there, and we have that. So I'm pretty sure we have to. Oh, there's an error. Cursor lock state. Oh, I think you have to do cursor lock state. You have to change this to cursor lock mode. I think it's cursor lock mode, not cursor lock state. And y'all have to change this with me, because I'm just going to give you the script that I pasted in. So y'all have to change everything I say. Like, change everything I say to change. So we're going to change that. I think I forgot to assign some stuff. Oopsie. So I'm just going to take this player. We're going to click on the main camera. I'm going to lock that. I'm going to click on the player and change here. I think my personal mouse sensitivity, I like 2000, but you can change it however you like. So we're gonna on the game, and we can see, we can jump, we can move. So you might think this is very cool, but it's not cooler than the episodes later. So that's nice. Now one quick thing we're gonna do, since we have most of our stuff working, we're gonna click on create and right click UI, and we're gonna click on image. There we go, image. And you might be asking why we need the image. This is the circular thing I was gonna say. So we're gonna change this image to 0, 0. Or what did I just do? Oh, oopsie. That's not what I meant. So unlock it, 0, 0. There we go. So it's pretty big right now, but we're gonna change this image, sprite, to a knob. This is already comes with Unity. We're gonna change the width and height to about 10 and 10. So let's do like 10 and 10. And now when you double click this and you make the scale like that, you can see the small UI dot. And this is just so know the center. Actually, let's make it like about 15, I guess. This, or let's do 12. No, not 121. 12 and 12. I think that's perfect. So let's save our scene. And one thing I want to do for the last part of this video, double click scenes, rename this to game scene. So I think that's a successful part of the video. If something does not work for you guys, then put in the comments and I will help you out. And I might even post a video for all of the bugs you guys have, and I'll fix them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Stick around for next tutorials.